Well, here we are working on the blue car again. True turn, coil over suspension. Works great. We did a little test going down the road, 120 mile an hour. Well, no, I mean 55 mile an hour. Correction. And it worked really good. But we ran into a problem because we just talked to their tech department.
And they don't know nothing.
This is going to be on national TV. Hold on. The stops for the turn will not work as designed with wheels that have a lot of offset. So these are 8-inch wide, and I forget the offset. What was your offset? 4-inch something? And where's that bolt that we just took off? Look at Joe over here with the double wrench. I didn't have a double wrench. How come you have a double wrench? I got handed to the guys at Ridetech who, wherever they sourced their Loctite, is some really good shit. Where's that? We struggled to get the first bolt out, but we're not going to struggle anymore because I brought heat. Where'd that bolt go that we took out?
There.
Where? Oh. Some of the best Loctite I've ever seen in my 40-year career. I thought this 1/2-inch grade 8 bolt was going to break in half. But another problem we ran into with the LS engine is their drag link adapter was hitting the pan when we went to go turn. We got a 1/2 turn one direction, 3/4 turn the other direction. Look at the LS pan, the LS7 pan has a cutout right there. It might have been okay if it had another one on that side, but if you look at it, we're only about 1 1/4 deep, like the Holly pans, but the tie rod right here was hitting up here where it's shallow, 1 1/4 inch. So a different pan would not have corrected our issue. Everything else is on there pretty good. So we're gonna do some modification. We talked to them, and where's my modification bolt?
Yeah.
We're gonna.
And they told us.
They said we can go ahead and try this.
Go ahead, send me some pictures.
We're gonna design something to go in here for adjustable stop, and I'll let you know how it turns out. Okay, we're done. I'm only gonna show you guys. You guys don't share this with anybody because steal this idea. There's our steering stop, and we tack welded it in here with the suspension under compression, so it'll be in the right spot there. What do you think, Joe? Is it gonna work?
And you can adjust it.
You can adjust it. I'll show you where the tire was hitting over here. Tire hit right there. Bolt-on application. But they should have a side note, if Ridetech watches this video. Will not work if you have this oil pan on the LS. The drag link adapter will not work. And for offset wheels, we're at 4-inch back spacing, and they hit. I think stock is 3.5. All right, bolt it back together. All right, so there's our finished product. Finished product. Yeah, turned out pretty good. Alright, so there we go. I'll show how much wheel we got showing. So that's plenty. Then, if it ain't, you just turn a nut and a bolt. Yeah?
I think it's plenty.
Okay, me too. And cut.